we are having a review of a new model from UNI UT221 digital clamp meter. Using this device, you may measure AC and DC currents up to 2000 ampere, and besides AC voltage and current are measured in true RMS mode. So let's start. The device is provided in a durable plastic case. Let's look inside. The package includes a user manual, measuring probes, a hand strap, a special signal cable for this analog output, and the meter itself. The clamp meter is rather heavy and large, however it is not surprising as the meter measures AC and DC current up to 2000 ampere, the maximum diameter if the measured conductor is 60 millimeters. The meter is made of high quality plastic. The front panel houses a rotary switch for measuring function selection, additional function buttons, a display, probe connection terminals. There is a battery compartment and also a strap lock. The strap is attached in the following way. Now the meter securely lays in the hand and it won't slip out. To turn on the meter, use a rotary switch. Measuring functions are as follows: AC current with low frequency filter, DC current, AC voltage with low frequency filter, DC voltage, resistance. Use the select button to switch between the diode test function and the continuity buzzer. And back to resistance measurement. Frequency measurement. There are additional functions. At AC currents measurement, you may use a function of inrush starting current measurement. The main display shows the current value and the additional one shows inrush starting current. Maximum minimum function is also available. Relative measurements, data hold function, and a display backlight. UT221 has a very interesting feature. It has an analog output. It is located above the probe connection terminals. You need to open the sliding screen to access it. This output provides voltage depending on the measured current with a relation of 1 megavolt to 1 ampere. The package includes a special probe to connect to this output. It outputs the voltage and we may connect the oscilloscope to it for more detailed current analysis. Now let's measure the DC current. Turn on the meter and switch to DC current measurement. Before starting the measurements, press 0 button to reset the display readings to 0. Start the measuring process. We may see a slight inaccuracy in the last order. Taking into account the DC current measuring range of 2000 ampere, we consider the result excellent. Let's measure the AC current. 53 ampere, 36 ampere, and 80 ampere. Now we measure the AC voltage. Network line voltage 409 volt and the phase to ground voltage is 232 volt. Now we want to demonstrate the possibilities of the analog output. It may help to better analyze the line current form. At the most of the load is provided by electronics having switch mode power supply units, the current will be far from sine form. Let's check this. Open the output connector. I have already connected the probe to the oscilloscope. Now I connect it to the meter and start measuring. The first conductor, 55 ampere. Our voltage value is 54-55 megavolt. As we may see, the form is different from sine. Second conductor, 40 ampere, and the voltage value corresponds. Third conductor, 75-80 ampere. As I mentioned, the form is far from sine. Using UNI UT221, you may measure AC and DC currents up to 2000 ampere in rush starting current, measure AC voltage, and current in true RMS mode. The digital clamp meter has all the required certification.